The temperatures across the Indian subcontinent have kept on increasing. Today, the IMD said that northwest and central India are witnessing their hottest April in 122 years, with average maximum temperatures reaching 35.9 and 37.78 degrees Celsius respectively. IMD Director General Mrityunjay Mahapatra said that northwest and west central parts of the country like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Haryana will continue to experience temperatures above normal in May as well. Mohapatra also added the nights would be warmer in May in most parts of the country except in some regions of South Peninsular India. He said that the average temperature observed across India for April was 35.05 degrees, which was the fourth highest in 122 years. Mohapatra said that the average rainfall in May over the country is most likely to be above normal. However, he said that parts of northwest and northeast India as well as the extreme southeast peninsula are expected to get below normal rainfall in May. Mahapatra said that the high temperatures in March and April were attributed to continuously scanty rainfall activity. Northwest India recorded a deficit in rainfall of around 89% in the month of March, while the deficit was nearly 83% in April, mainly on account of weak and dry western disturbances, adding that the last three western disturbances caused strong winds in parts of Delhi and dust storms over Rajasthan in April. Meanwhile, India has been reeling under intense heatwave conditions for the past few weeks.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.